Hello, food lovers. Welcome back to another delicious journey through time on Foodstorian. Today, we're delving into the warm and festive world of mulled wine, a beverage that has been enchanting palates across Europe for centuries. Have you ever wondered why mulled wine has become synonymous with holiday celebrations in various European countries? Well, today, we're going to uncover the intriguing and lesser-known facts about this heartwarming elixir. Subscribe and get ready to be transported through time. Let's start our journey in ancient Rome, where the roots of mulled wine were planted. The practice of spicing and warming wine can be traced back to the Roman Empire, where the beverage was not only a pleasure for the senses but also believed to possess medicinal properties. Romans, known for their penchant for decadence, began experimenting with various spices and herbs to enhance the flavor of their wines. The addition of ingredients like cinnamon, cloves, and even honey transformed the simple act of drinking wine into a luxurious experience. As the Roman Empire expanded, so did the tradition of mulling wine. It reached the colder regions of Europe, where the warmth of spiced wine became not just a comfort, but a necessity during the harsh winters. Imagine Roman soldiers stationed in the chilly outposts, huddled around a pot of spiced wine to keep warm. This ancient practice laid the foundation for what would later become a cherished winter tradition across Europe. So the next time you sip on mulled wine, remember that you're indulging in a tradition that dates back to the grandeur of ancient Rome. The Romans may have left the stage of history, but their love for spiced wine continues to warm our hearts today. Fast forward to the Middle Ages and Renaissance, where mulled wine underwent a transformation, becoming not just a drink, but a symbol of wealth and opulence. In these times, mulled wine was not a beverage for the common folk. It graced the tables of nobility and aristocracy, adorned with intricate spices, symbolizing not just taste, but also status. The aromatic blend of cinnamon, cloves, and other exotic spices became a hallmark of feasts and celebrations. The process of mulling wine itself became a form of art, with skilled spicers crafting unique blends for noble households. Mulled wine became more than just a drink. It was a reflection of one's social standing. The richer and more elaborate the spices, the higher the status of the host. It was a way to showcase not only taste, but also the wealth required to acquire such exotic ingredients. As we traverse through the Renaissance, mulled wine retained its prestigious status. The European aristocracy continued to embrace the tradition, further solidifying it as a symbol of refined taste and luxury. So, as you sip on your mulled wine today, remember that you're partaking in a tradition that was once exclusive to the elite. The spices that once adorned the tables of kings and queens now find their way into our humble mugs, connecting us to a rich tapestry of history. Cheers to the enduring legacy of mulled wine! Now that mulled wine has earned its noble reputation, let's embark on its journey as it spreads its aromatic embrace across the diverse landscapes of Europe. In Germany, it takes on the name Glühwein, where the tradition of mulling wine intertwines with the festive ambience of Christmas markets. The German version often features citrus fruits and a hint of cloves, creating a unique and comforting blend. Meanwhile, in Sweden, it transforms into glögg, a spicier version with additions like cardamom and almonds. The Swedes have elevated mulled wine to an art form, infusing it with their distinct flavors and serving it with traditional accompaniments. As we move to France, mulled wine takes on the sophisticated persona of vin chaud. The French, known for their culinary prowess, add a touch of elegance with their choice of red wine and perhaps a subtle hint of brandy. Each country puts its own spin on mulled wine, adapting the recipe to suit local tastes and traditions. Whether it's the Svarak in the Czech Republic or the Sikak syrup in Turkey, the heartwarming essence of spiced wine remains a common thread. The spread of mulled wine is not just a geographical phenomenon, it's a cultural exchange. As people across Europe share their unique twists on this winter elixir, the tradition becomes a celebration of diversity, bringing communities together in the warmth of shared flavors. So as you savor your mulled wine, think about the cultural journey it has undertaken, weaving through the tapestry of Europe, connecting people in a shared appreciation for warmth, spice, and festive cheer. Prost, Skål, Santi, cheers to mulled wine's continental odyssey. After a brief hiatus, mulled wine made a triumphant comeback in the 20th century, and its resurgence brought with it a fusion of tradition and innovation. In the 18th and 19th centuries, mulled wine experienced a decline in popularity due to the rise of refined tastes and the preference for fine wines. However, as people sought to revive ancient traditions, mulled wine found its way back into the hearts and mugs of enthusiasts. The 20th century saw a creative explosion in the world of culinary arts, and mulled wine became a canvas for experimentation. Chefs and enthusiasts alike began adding their unique twist to the classic recipe, introducing new spices, herbs, and even spirits. Today, mulled wine is not just a heated beverage, it's a culinary experience. The addition of brandy, orange liqueur, or unique spices like star anise and cardamom has elevated the traditional recipe to new heights. Mixologists and home enthusiasts alike have embraced mulled wine as a versatile base for creative concoctions. From mulled wine cocktails to infused syrups, the possibilities are endless, and the flavors continue to evolve. The resurgence of mulled wine also aligns with the contemporary desire for authentic and nostalgic experiences. Whether enjoyed at festive gatherings, winter weddings, or cozy nights by the fireplace, mulled wine has become a symbol of comfort and connection. As we explore the modern twists on mulled wine, it's evident that this ancient tradition has not only endured but flourished in the hands of those who appreciate its timeless appeal. So, the next time you enjoy a steaming mug, raise it to the chefs and mixologists who have rekindled the flame of this historic elixir. From the medieval courts to contemporary kitchens, mulled wine has truly stood the test of time, proving that a sip of the past can be just as relevant and delightful in the present. Cheers to the resurgence of mulled wine and the exciting flavors yet to be discovered. Beyond its delightful taste, mulled wine holds cultural significance. It's not just a drink, it's a symbol of togetherness and celebration during the festive season. Whether it's sipped at Christmas markets, family gatherings, or winter festivals, mulled wine brings people closer. As we raise our glasses to the timeless tradition of mulled wine, let's savor the rich tapestry of flavors and aromas that have stood the test of time. From ancient Rome to the modern-day celebrations, mulled wine continues to warm our hearts and create lasting memories. That wraps up our journey through the history of mulled wine across various European countries. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe for more culinary adventures, and share your thoughts in the comments below. Until next time, happy sipping!